Before we rescue this legend, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Today, we're bringing a piece of history back to life.
This 1964 Impala has been sitting here for decades. The owner says it hasn't run since the 90s, but I see potential beneath the rust.
Look at this decay. Most people see scrap metal, but I see a diamond in the rough waiting to shine again.
$900 later, the deal is done. It's a steal for a classic like this, provided we can actually save it.
Loading her up is a challenge with these seized brakes and flat tires, but she's finally leaving her resting place.
Welcome to the headquarters. This is where the magic happens. We've got a long road ahead, so let's get this beast inside. First, a full assessment. The frame looks solid, but the body panels are shot. We need a game plan before we turn a single bolt. The teardown begins now. We're stripping everything. These bumpers are heavy, and the bolts are fighting us every inch of the way. Under the hood, it's a disaster zone. Decades of grime and neglect. We need to clear this out to see what we're working with.
The interior smells ancient. We're tossing these moldy seats. Everything inside has to go to make room for the custom upholstery. Stripping the dash is delicate work. The wiring is a rat's nest, but we need to save the original gauges for restoration.
Time to pull the heart out. This old V8 has seen better days, but don't worry, we're going to give it a serious upgrade.
We're doing a full frame-off restoration. By separating the body from the frame, we can ensure every inch gets treated.
Years of road grime are being blasted away. You can't build a show car on a dirty foundation.
Sandblasting strips the car down to its naked steel. It's the only way to remove all the hidden rust and old paint.
There was some rot in the quarter panels. We're cutting out the cancer and welding in fresh steel to make it solid again.
Bodywork is an art. Hours of block sanding are required to get those lines perfectly straight. No shortcuts allowed here. The chassis gets a durable powder coat. This isn't just paint. It's a protective armor that will last a lifetime.
Preparation is done. The body is primed, blocked, and cleaned. Now, it enters the sterile environment of the paint booth.
We chose a custom metallic purple. This color is going to pop under the streetlights and turn heads everywhere.
The first coat goes down. You can already see the depth of the color. Smooth, even strokes are key to a perfect finish. Now for the clear coat. This locks in the color and gives it that deep, wet look that defines a high-end show car.
Cut and buff. We're polishing the clear coat to remove any texture, making the paint look like a sheet of purple glass.
While the paint cures, we're rebuilding the engine, boring the cylinders to give this old block some fresh power.
New pistons, new rings. We're building this engine to run smoother and stronger than the day it left the factory.
The engine is dressed to impress. Color-matched block with chrome accessories. It's almost too pretty to hide under a hood.
It's not a lowrider without juice. We're installing a custom hydraulic setup so this car can dance on command.
Plumbing the hydraulics requires precision. We use stainless steel hard lines for durability and that clean, show-quality look.
The marriage, bringing the body and frame back together. This is a huge milestone in the restoration process.
The dash goes back in. The chrome has been replated to a mirror finish. It's the centerpiece of the interior.
Custom interior time. White leather with diamond stitching. It's going to be comfortable and look absolutely stunning.
Sliding the fresh seats in. The contrast between the white leather and the purple exterior is exactly what we wanted. Crystal clear glass. No scratches, no cracks. It finishes off the cabin and makes the car feel complete.
The face returns. With the re-chromed grille and new headlights, the car gets its identity back.
It's all in the details. These chrome moldings highlight the classic body lines of the '64 Impala. Every handle, every mirror, every piece of jewelry on this car is brand new. No corner cutting.
We're adding a modern sound system hidden away. Crisp highs and deep bass to cruise to. The cherry on top of the interior, A custom chrome chain steering wheel. It feels cold and solid in the hand.
You can't build a lowrider without proper shoes. 13-inch wire wheels, gold and chrome spokes, absolute perfection. Classic white wall tires. They provide that vintage look that ties the whole build together.
Locking them in. These knockoff spinners are the signature style. The car is finally standing on its own feet.
Fluids going in. Oil, coolant, brake fluid. The lifeblood of the machine. We are getting close to the first start.
Powering up. The electrical system is live. Lights, dash, hydraulics, everything is waking up.
Lights check. The iconic triple taillights of the Impala glow bright red. She's ready to be seen.
The moment of truth. Ignition. Listen to that V8 purr. That is the sound of victory. One final check underneath. No leaks, no loose bolts. It looks as good from the bottom as it does from the top. Testing the switches. Front up. The hydraulics are responsive and powerful. This car is ready to hop.
Hit the three-wheel motion. The frame is rigid and the balance is perfect. It holds the pose effortlessly. Final detailing. We're removing every fingerprint. This car has to be flawless for the reveal.
Dressing the tires. The contrast between the black rubber, the white wall, and the gold rim is mesmerizing.
Time to take her out into the sun. Artificial light doesn't do this paint justice. Just wait until you see it.
Here she comes. From a $900 rust bucket to a six-figure masterpiece. The transformation is unbelievable.
Look at that shine. Every hour of sanding, every dollar spent, it was all worth it for this result.
The lines of the '64 Impala are timeless. We didn't change the car, we just perfected it.
The interior is a place you never want to leave. Clean, classy, and custom. It smells like fresh leather and success.
I'm the lucky one who gets the first drive. It feels solid, heavy, and powerful. Let's cruise. Cruising down the boulevard. This is what lowriding is all about. Style, pride, and culture.
She performs perfectly. A little hop to show off the hydraulics. This car commands respect on the street.
We saved a legend. Another classic kept on the road for the next generation to admire.
From rust to riches. If you enjoyed this restoration, hit that like button and subscribe for the next build. See you next time.